Hey guys, what's up? Beast and Beast Toys here coming at you. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to get more notifications in my reviews. Got a Beastman Filmation cartoon collection here. Got this from Amazon. As you can see, not perfect shape. My other videos, if you saw so far, I did Skeletor and Trapjaw. Still unpunched, but at any rate, he's got creases all over his figure here. Crease here. Crease on the top, you might be able to see it there. Here's one over here, here's one across. Never get anything good. Amazon's very tough to get stuff, in good order, and this is a prime example of no. But I'm opening these, so I didn't collect this particular line to collect this line to keep in package. This is an opening line for me, as all masters have been going forward. I did collect masters a couple years ago when I started in the Origins line. I did collect them and have unopeners. I got to probably wave 9, 10, somewhere in there, 9, 10, 11, maybe, as far as not past that probably, but where I had them all. I was getting doubles, opening, and I just, one day I woke up and I said, I gotta cut some stuff. And I started, that's where I was getting where I was like, I gotta cut some things out. And that was one of the things that I cut. Here's this, by the way, was I started selling off Origins. So I guess it was about last year, this time last year, I did a couple of Comic-Con shows, local shows, and I started taking them and I sold a few pieces off. So there he is, Mask of the Magi. I started selling pieces off. Here's the back side. It says it's from the Dragon Invasion. So I think I remember that episode. But here he is, nonetheless. This one's. I noticed my other two didn't have these plastic straps keeping them held in. That's odd. This one does. Skeletor didn't. Yeah, Skeletor didn't, and he didn't, and Trapjaw didn't, but this one did. So this is, it's kind of neat to get a little extra piece. Includes Hover Ray. Here's your Hover Ray. That's kind of cool. It's just a 3D printed piece is all this is. Very hard plastic though, I'm not gonna lie. That thing, it's solid, so it's good 3D printed plastic, I'll just say that. So nonetheless, there's the front. Fronts are all the same. Kind of, I guess I should say I definitely don't mind that. That way there's nothing fancy going on, or don't really deviate from the beaten path, so to speak. I'm gonna get this straightened out here. His legs are kind of funky. But at any rate, as I straighten him out here, he definitely looks a lot like, he's one of the ones that definitely looks a lot like the cartoon. So that's nice to see. I'll stand him up here for you for a minute. There. While I kind of scoop these little plastic pieces back in to the box. One last time. There's this wave. We'll do Man-at-Arms actually next, and we'll have the whole first wave done, and then we'll do Tila, and we'll have part of the second wave. Have half the second wave already done until we get the other new ones. Like I said, I like this line. I had a lot of these growing up as a kid. Here he is. So looks a lot like the original. You can set him up with this thing. You can do that with it. Of course, it kind of has to point to the ground unless I lift it up a little more. There. A little more not as pointy at the ground. But anyway, there's that. And of course, he comes with his original whip. Watch me whip. So, all right, and you know, you get there's your range of motion with the back legs. You really want to kind of straighten these out quite a bit so you can stand him up, and he doesn't look so small. But here he is, guys. Here's your Beast Man Filmation cartoon collection. Great part I always say about these origins is there's really not a ton of stuff to show off. If you don't want to, you know, I'm always got so much stuff and I'm pressed for time, and it seems like I've always got a million things to do. It's already 9 o'clock on a Sunday. I need to go to bed very soon because I'm very tired and long weekend. Busy and long weekend, but um, here you go. Just some minor differences, you know, blank area here. I think the original has a little, like a knob, buckle knob here and knobs on the side. This is a little different, blue star shaped looking part. And it doesn't, the original I think had some orange or reddish color and fades a little bit with some black accent or shadow, I guess was what it is, maybe. Same with the armbands. The armbands are a little different here. I need to turn these a little bit more. I don't think I like the way they're turned. They're not always turned. There we go. Now they're turned up. You want them turned up. So that's some of the differences. The blue bottom, definitely a different color of blue. Kind of a Carolina blue with the yellow. UCLA color, actually, if you or follow any college sports. So, but anyway, that's it, guys. There you go. There's your Filmation Beast Man. So go ahead and thumbs up if you'd like, and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching with Cartoon Beast Man. I'm Beast from Beast Toys. We'll see you.